Man made $10,000 in 39 hours using artificial intelligence. Watch this video.
So just a bunch of people doing really cool stuff with ChatGPT, and I've played around with it a lot and had it write different code and like just different things. And then I realized I'm like, the general public like hasn't seen this. They haven't been able to play around with it. Like they have to create an account with OpenAI. That's kind of a restriction. I'm like, why isn't there a site where they can just get on here and use it and try it out? How do I connect an OpenAI, actually I don't even know if I said OpenAI. I might have just said ChatGPT API to a WordPress site. And it gave me like a list of things to do. I'm like, all right, well, real quick, I'm going to pause. I'm going to go try to buy a domain. Then I'm going to do this. So I bought, answersbyai.com and then walked through the step-by-step. So I had to ask it more questions and clarify a few things. And it led me basically to getting a plugin, as simple as that sounds, and, attaching my API key to that and doing a few other things and just kind of followed the steps, right? And kind of tweeted about it. It took from the time the domain was purchased until the site was pressed publish, like 1 hour and 58 minutes. I tweeted about it, and the tweet was like gaining traction. The first day, it was like 3,500 people saw it, within the first 24 hours as far as on the site. And then now it's been like over 17,000 people have been on the site, and it's still less than 48 hours old. And then someone's like, I'll give you $1. And so then making tweets about people offering. And then I reached out to Dave, and I don't remember his last name, but like the CEO of Jasper. I just DM'd him and like, hey, like I think this would be like a good opportunity. Like I'll charge you like per impression, something super low just to cover the cost of this. Like if you want to advertise here. So I reached out to, Spencer of, Niche Pursuits, and I know he has a few other things like Originality AI, and a matter of a couple hours, Originality AI acquired Answers by AI for 5 figures and a bologna sandwich. I think it was exactly 39 hours, like within a couple of minutes of being 39 hours exactly from, buying the domain to typing like, I agree.